the vibe. Let your body come alive. And heartbeat flow. Let it take you slow. Feel it in your chest. This is where you rest. Island heartbeat flow. Let your spirit glow. Move it side to side with the rolling tide. Guitar skank so crisp and clean, dancing through the sunny scene. Steel drums add a little spark, lighten up inside your heart. Bassline bouncing nice and round, spreading love without a sound. Every moment feels so free, that's the island energy. No beginning, no end, just the rhythm we depend. In this groove we understand, life is better unplanned. Island heartbeat flow, let it take you slow. Feel it in your chest, this is where you rest. Island heartbeat flow, let your spirit glow. Move it side to side with the rolling tide. Heartbeat flow, take you slow. Island heartbeat flow, let your spirit glow. Move it side to side with the rolling tide. Heartbeat flow, let it go. Heartbeat.
Yeah. Golden hour. Let it drip. Sun goes down in slow motion, colors dancing on the ocean. Every second feeling right, wrapped in soft and fading light. Gentle breeze across my face, time just slows in this space. No more noise, no more rush, just this calm, just this hush. Let it drip, let it flow. There's no place we gotta go. Feel the rhythm, take it slow. Let the island take control. Golden hour drip, feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drip, every little shift moves the soul so free. Just you and me. Footprints fading in the sand, moments slipping through our hands, but the feeling always stays, like the warmth of island days. Bassline rolling soft and deep, like a promise we can keep. Everything just feels aligned, peace within the mind. Hold this vibe, don't let go. This is all we need to know. In this light we finally see, life is how it's meant to be. Golden hour drip, feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drip, every little shift moves the soul so free. that's healing me. Every step in golden sand, peace is always close at hand. Close your eyes, just feel the flow. Let the rhythm guide your soul. No more rush, no more race, just the calm of this place. Ocean breeze, therapy. Set your spirit free, let the rhythm rise like the rising tide. Ocean breeze, therapy. Where you're meant to be, let the music heal. Feel what you should feel. Palm trees sway in harmony, singing soft in melody. Simple life, no need for more, just the waves along the shore. Deep bass moving nice and low, like the tide it comes and goes. Heartbeat sinking with the sound, peace is everywhere around. Let it wash away the pain, like a soft in summer rain. In this moment you can see, this is where you're meant to be. Ocean air, take me there. I come, let the rhythm ride like the rising tide. Ocean breeze, therapy. Where you're meant to be, let the music heal. Feel what you should feel. Feel what you should feel. Feel what you should feel. Let the music heal. Feel what you should feel. Ocean escape. Yeah. Island rhythm. Step away from city noise, trade it in for simple joys. Island calling, hear the sound. Good vibes always all around. Sun is shining, spirits high. No more stress, just let it fly. Every beat just lifts you up. Feel your soul and feel your cup. Let it go, leave it behind. All the weight inside your mind. Feel the groove, feel the vibe. Let your spirit come alive. Island rhythm escape. Let your worries all fade. Feel the sunshine bright from the day to night. Island rhythm escape. Every move, every shake. Let the good vibes stay. Never drift away. Oh. Steel drums laughing in the air. Feel the freedom everywhere. Guitar skank so crisp and clean. Living out a simple dream. Bassline bouncing nice and round. Heartbeat in the island sound. Nothing else we really need. Just this vibe to set us free. Dance along the Sunrise painting golden skies, reflections dancing in my eyes. Morning breeze so soft and light, everything just feels so right. Waves are calling from the shore, like a song I can't ignore. Every step feels calm and free, island life surrounding me. Take it slow, let it rise, feel the warmth of morning light. Every breath, every sound, peace is finally found. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning island flow, take it nice and slow. Let your worries fade in the light we made. Steel drums ringing soft and clear, melody you wanna hear. Guitar skank so clean and bright, grooving gently with the light. Bassline rolling smooth and low, like a river steady flow. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. New day, new way, let the sunshine lead the way. In this glow we can see life is simple, wild and free. Morning flow, let it glow. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning island flow, take it nice and slow. Let your worries fade in the light we made. Neon light, island night, yeah. Palm trees glowing in the dark, neon colors leave a mark. Ocean shining black and blue, all I see is me and you. Midnight breeze, electric air, music floating everywhere. Slow motion in the sand, reaching out your hand. Feel the vibe, feel the heat, heartbeat syncing with the beat. No control, let it go, let the night just take you slow. Island neon nights, under flashing lights, let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Every step just feels alive, leaving all the world behind. In this glow we come alive, feel the midnight vibe. Time dissolves into the sound, no more edges, no more ground. In this space we're drifting free, lost in pure intensity. Waves don't lie. Waves rolling, tell the truth. Every feeling breaking through. No more hiding, no disguise. See it clear in ocean eyes. Sunlight dancing on the sea. Feels like it's calling me. Every step I take is right, guided by the golden light. Hear the sound, feel the flow. There's a truth you always know. In the tide, in the sky, nothing here can tell a lie. Waves don't lie, let it ride. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Waves don't lie, no disguise. See the truth in open skies. Waves don't lie, take it slow. Let the real emotion show. Waves don't lie, set you free. Be exactly who you be. Steel drums singing in the breeze, carrying that honesty. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, cuts through everything between. Bassline deep just like the sea, holding raw reality. Every note just speaks to you. Simple, honest, pure and true. Let it wash away the fade. Every wall begins to break. In this rhythm you will find truth was always in your mind. Yeah, waves don't lie. Yeah, waves don't lie. Yeah, waves don't lie. Yeah. every feeling breaking through. No more hiding, no disguise. See it clear in ocean eyes. Sunlight dancing on the sea. Feels like it's calling me. Every step I take is right, guided by the golden light. Hear the sound, feel the flow. There's a truth you always know. In the tide, in the sky, nothing here can tell a lie. Waves don't lie, let it ride. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Waves don't lie, northern sky. See the truth in open sky. Waves don't lie, take it slow. Let the real emotion show. Waves don't lie, set you free. Be exactly who you be. Steel drums singing in the breeze, carrying that honesty. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, cuts through everything between. Bassline deep just like the sea, holding raw reality. Every note just speaks to you. Simple, honest, pure and true. Let it wash away the fade. Every wall begins to break. In this rhythm you will find truth was always in your mind. Waves don't lie, let it ride. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Waves don't lie,
simple, wild and free. Slow motion, paradise, paradise. Slow motion, paradise, paradise. Slow
seem to end. Moments
bonds we don't need to mend. Ocean whispers soft and low, telling us to just let go. Sky so wide, so open blue, every dream feels close to you. In this drift we lose all time, everything just feels aligned. Close your eyes, feel it near, nothing else but now and here. Let it flow, let it be, drifting in eternity. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide, like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Guitar fades away, still the feeling wants to stay. Bassline deep but soft and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every second slow and wide, floating with the turning tide. In this calm you understand, life is more than we had planned. Let it fade into the light, hold the feeling nice and tight. In this dream we finally see what it means to just be free. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide, like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Drift away, slow. Yeah. Good morning, island floor. Sunrise painting golden skies, reflections dancing in my eyes. Morning breeze so soft and light, everything just feels so right. Waves are calling from the shore, like a song I can't ignore. Every step feels calm and free, island life surrounding me. Take it slow, let it rise, feel the warmth of morning light. Every breath, every sound, peace is finally found. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning island flow, take it nice and slow. Let your worries fade in the light we made. Steel drums ringing soft and clear, melody you wanna hear. Guitar skank so clean and bright, grooving gently with the light. Bassline rolling smooth and low, like a river steady flow. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. New day
is simple, wild and free. Morning flow, let it glow. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning island flow, take it nice and slow. Let your worries fade in the light we made. Morning flow, let it glow. Yeah, yeah. Morning flow, let it glow. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Gather round. Beachside vibe runs around. The vibe is right. Laughing in the fading light. Ocean breeze, the music loud. Good energy inside the crowd. Sun goes down, but we don't stop. Feel the rhythm as it drops. Every smile, every move, locked into that island groove. Hands up high, feel the beat. Sand beneath your dancing feet. Let it go, feel the sound. Good vibes going all around. Beachside groove session, pure connection. Feel the rhythm tight through the island night. Beachside groove session, no regression. Let the music play till the break of day. Steel drums lighting up the scene, adding colors in between. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, moving through the night so smooth. Bassline heavy but relaxed, keeping every moment tact. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. Under stars we come alive, in this groove we all survive. Every heartbeat feels so true, sharing this with me and you. hearts align without a sound. In this rhythm we are found. Footprints fading in the sand, moments slipping through my hands, echoes of a distant time still replay inside my mind. Ocean breeze just brings it back, every feeling that I lack. Golden days and endless skies reflected in my eyes. Close your eyes, feel it near. Guitar whispers soft and low, like a story you once known. Bassline steady, calm and true, pulling every thought to you. Nothing really disappears, just transforms across the years.